Hey there, thank you for checking out my video today. Just wanted to give a quick channel update. There's going to be some changes around here. This main change is I'm going to post videos again. It's been like 8 years, so I wanted to just warn you a little bit, anybody who's still subscribed, that the video content is going to be a lot different from here on out. I'll still have some videos about singing and different music that I've been working on, but the main focus of the channel, the longer videos that I'll be posting, are actually about projects that I've done at my church, and eventually some projects that'll just be for personal or for commerce, basically for selling, craft fairs and things of that nature. So I just wanted to give a quick background to what's going on. So several years ago, I was looking for a way to start making videos. I was really shy and reserved, but I wanted to break out of that. So I started posting videos and had a pretty good run where I was able to put a bunch of videos of me singing some hymns, editing some simple videos, testing out those skills. Always having the idea to branch out and make videos about other things, even just me singing different kinds of songs than just hymns. I've been able to edit together a couple of videos of projects I've done at church already. I've got more that I'm working on. I'm planning to release several videos of music, singing different things. I've got some already recorded, and we'll just be posting them or chopping them up into smaller sections to post as YouTube shorts. I really think that'll be a good way to make sure I'm able to post something regularly, but also able to live the rest of my life without being tired all the time. I hope this will be really interesting and helpful to some people, especially people in the church. It's been an awesome thought, I guess, that someone could see something I made, like this set backdrop, and take that and put their own spin on it and make something that really helps people see something cool, that really the Lord will be able to use it to inspire people. Made a little video intro to play for during the projects that shows a little highlight reel of different things I want to show in greater detail with an individual video. So every little clip in this intro represents a project that I'll be showing off in more detail. So growing up, I heard the term Renaissance man from a movie of the same name, where Danny DeVito teaches Shakespeare to a bunch of military misfits that were doing poorly in their trainings. So he taught them to use their mind and really helped them understand a lot of things using the art form of poetry. And the term Renaissance man from that movie really stuck with me. The idea of someone who basically just has so many different things that he's interested in that he can't be defined as just an artist or just an athlete. He's a Renaissance man because he's able to do so many different things. And I've felt like that a lot of my life, that my interests are so diverse and varied that it's hard to really feel like I know what to do next. Sometimes I want to pursue so many different things that it's hard to choose just one or two things and spend so much time doing it. And so basically, I'm not going to choose with this channel. I'm going to do all of the things. I'm going to do music. I'm going to do art. I'm going to do woodworking. I'm going to do who knows what else, whatever comes to mind, whatever I find interesting. And we'll see what sticks. There'll probably be some things that I do more of. Some things are easier to make videos about. But wanted to just kind of give that context when you see the term Renaissance Man in my channel intro, it basically is just referring to what I'm striving to be. I'm striving to work on things that make me a more well-rounded person, someone who's able to enjoy different aspects of life, someone who is working to become better in so many areas of their life, not just settling for things are good enough, but always trying to be the best I can be. I hope that just gives a little context and a little extra introduction to who I am. I don't plan to make a lot of videos just about my biography, but we'll drop in little tidbits here and there as we're doing something else, because this video is a way for me to grow. And one of the areas I need to grow in is by putting myself out there. So that's why this intro is kind of rushed, but I hope that it will be a start of something really special, because my goal was to have it out first day in March of this year. I've been working towards it all of the month of February to, not this video, the next video is what I've been working on. And I hope that you'll come check it out and that you'll enjoy what you see. Please subscribe and stick around. We've got a lot more things coming out. They will be kind of random at first, but hopefully it'll be interesting and entertaining to watch. So have a great day. God bless.